Have you ever wondered why two people can face the same problem, yet one breaks down while the other becomes even stronger? The difference is not intelligence, it's not money, it's not luck, it's mental strength. And the good news is, mental strength is not something you are born with. It's a skill you build every single day through your thoughts, choices, and habits. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, One Step Forward Journey. I'm an educator, mentor, and student counselor with 26 years of experience guiding students and supporting parents. And today the topic is 10 powerful qualities of mentally strong people. The first one, they accept reality. Mentally strong people don't waste time complaining about what cannot be changed. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? They ask, what can I do now? Acceptance does not mean weakness. It means you are ready to move forward. And the second one, they don't seek everyone's approval. They understand a simple truth. Not everyone will like you, and that's perfectly okay. They respect others' opinions, but they never sacrifice their values just to please people. And their confidence comes from within, not from applause. And the third one, they control their emotions. Being mentally strong doesn't mean never feeling sad, angry, or disappointed. It means not allowing emotions to make important decisions. They pause, they breathe, they think, and they respond with wisdom instead of reacting with anger. And the fourth one, they turn problems into lessons. Every challenge carries a lesson. Instead of saying, my life is over, they ask, what is this situation trying to teach me? Every failure becomes a stepping stone. And the fifth one, they protect their peace. They stay away from unnecessary arguments, gossips, and toxic relationships. They know that protecting their mental peace is more valuable than winning every debate. Sometimes walking away is the strongest decision. And the sixth one, they focus on what they can control. They cannot control the weather, they cannot control other people's behavior, they cannot control the past, but they can control their attitude, effort, and actions. And that's exactly where they invest their energy. And the seventh one, they keep learning. Mentally strong people never believe they know everything. They read, they listen, they ask questions, they improve. Growth begins the moment when you become willing to learn. And the eighth one, they stay disciplined even without motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. They don't wait to feel like it. They take actions because they know today's small effort creates tomorrow's success. And the ninth one, they never compare their journey. Comparison steals happiness. Mentally strong people compete only with the person they were yesterday. And progress matters more than perfection. One step every day is enough. And the last 10th one, they never give up on themselves. Life will test you. People may doubt you. You may even doubt yourself. But mentally strong people remember one thing. As long as you don't give up, your story is not over. Every sunrise is another chance to begin again. And my final message, mental strength is not about having a perfect life. It's about standing up every time life knocks you down. Start with just one habit today. Tomorrow add another. One small step every day can completely transform your life. And according to psychology, your brain changes with repeated habits. Every positive choice strengthens your mental resilience. And if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel, One Step Forward Journey. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all.